Wow. I have to say, I didn't know that I'd be seeing Prison Break again. It's got to feel good to get the call like, hey, we're bringing it back. Just get ready.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. But there's a responsibility too. You know, if we're going to go back and tell another chapter, like, we have to tell it well. We have to do justice to what came before.
Yeah. Now, are we exploring more of this love interest? Are we exploring more of this relationship, or what in this season?
Well, last time we left our hero, he was dead. So I think that has certain implications for a relationship, certainly.
We were also married.
We were also, although I don't know if you ever divorced your Czech stripper girlfriend. So I'm not sure how that happened.
This got a little burn on the carpet just then. I'm not actually sure that you're available anyway.
Yeah, I mean, when you say married, no, I mean, I think, look, these are people that we're catching up with 7 years later, and a lot happens in 7 years. Lives change. I can't really imagine a world in which it's like, yeah, that guy, I'm over him. Like, you know, there's a lot of water under that bridge. But there's a lot of pain and a lot of loss, and more, I think, importantly than anything else, there's a child. There's a boy. And so these two people are linked no matter what by our son.
It's going to be fun. And I'm sure a thrill ride. I heard that it's more an event series. They're doing 9 episodes or something like that, right?
Yeah, it's also very emotional. I think just seeing each other on set, watching Sarah and Dominic and the Sizzler teaser trailer business that I just watched, made me a little emotional. Yeah, it's a reunion.
Backstage, like, oh.
It's a reunion of sorts.
They call you and they say, hey, we're doing Prison Break. Do you take the phone and like, hello? This is a prank, right? Because I feel like a lot of people thought there's nowhere to go. How do you go anywhere else?
Well, you know, you got Paul Schering, who's the creator-writer, who's a genius at, you know, subplots and all this. He kind of writes a bit like Shakespeare. You don't know what the hell's going on half the time. But it all connects. It all makes sense. Yeah. And it was actually Wentworth and myself who worked on The Flash together that we started kicking around the idea, we should revisit Prison Break. So we took it to Fox, and they loved the idea, and here we are.
So you were behind it. I see.
Wentworth and I were behind it, yes.
I get it. What was it that made Prison Break the thing you just felt compelled to, that needed more time?
I think one of the reasons why Prison Break works so well is, you know, aside from the prison, the backdrop, and the unique characters, it was the universal themes that it touched on. You know, like a brother giving up his life or trying to save his brother from death, and you know, I think we all kind of relate to that on some level. We would die for the people we love, you know, and I think that kind of resonated.
Yeah. Well, man, we're excited about it.
Thank you.
The event series.
The event series, yeah, it's big, it's large, it's going to be massive.